The Changbai Mountain's northern slope has a gigantic U-shaped valley with a depth of 50 to 60 meters. Its walls descend abruptly to a floor covered with dense vegetation. Viewed from above, it resembles a green ribbon extending to the horizon. This is the forest at the bottom of the valley. The crustal movements long ago have roughed out the shape of the valley. The crumbled rocks and volcanic ashes turned into nourishing soil. The seeds brought over by the wind and animals germinated in the silent valley and became a forest stretching about 3,000 meters in length and 1,000 meters in width. This forest is home to evergreen trees like Korean pine, dragon spruce, and fir, as well as larch and Changbai Scotch pine. The Changbai Scotch pine is unique to China. It thrives on this land of volcanic ashes. The affinity for light has led it to grow straight upward. The trunk, covered in golden bark, stands proudly between 20 to 30 meters. The middle and lower sections are bare and smooth, with branches concentrated at the top, spreading in the wind with the green needles. Unlike other pines that are rough and rugged, the Changbai Scotch pine presents a delicate grace, hence its local nickname is the beauty pine. Among today's Changbai Scotch pine trees, the oldest is more than 400 years old. However, for centuries, why the Changbai Scotch pine has only grown around the mountain's northern slope remains a puzzle. Enjoying the temperate, continental climate and alpine climate, this forest has ample rainfall thanks to the monsoons. The towering trees and short shrubs, along with the lush grass, can all retain water and greatly relieve soil erosion. The carpet of moss and leaves serves as a thick layer of sponge that absorbs and stores rainwater, turning the forest into a giant natural reservoir. It nourishes every creature here. In summer, the coolness and humidity here attract many animals evading the heat. The doe that comes with her fawn, with her acute sense of smell and hearing, never lets her guard down. Although it belongs to the same family as the deer, the Siberian roe deer is more curious than wary. These cute reactions have led some to call it stupid. But this is actually its survival skill. The nourishing soil, made of volcanic ash, sustains the luxuriant vegetation of the forest. Today, it has become a paradise of freedom for all its residents.